are anonymous. This is a William Gallagher UFO Basement anonymous message. Dear Mr. William Gallagher of the UFO Basement Network, we have been watching your show. Although we do not know where your UFO basement is, but we are pretty sure it is somewhere in the south, or maybe in the north. It could be in the east or west. We are very sure you use a computer to send your messages. We know that you are using a PC or a Mac. Mr. William Gallagher of the UFO Basement Network, you stand accused of the following crimes. Being a smartass. We think it is time to put an end to your comedy routines. We, the most powerful hacking organization in the world, wish you would repost your IP address along with your Facebook information. If you would do this, we could find you in a few hours. Heed our warning. We are legion and we are many. If we could find you, we would kick your ass. Crime number 2 that we do not think is funny. You stand accused by us, Legion, of making fun of the way we talk, our funny little mask, and the way we dress. Do not make fun of the way you talk or dress. You have hurt our collective feelings. We're anonymous. We do not forgive. We do not forget. We are Legion. We are many. Expect us. And why did you unfriend us?